Good morning, good afternoon, good middle of the night. This is Michelle Williams, your Survey123 Jedi. Welcome, Padawan, to the rest of your life, at least for some of you. Once you figure this part out, Survey123, you will become the person who does Survey123. And if you hate it, get out now. I'm going to tell you, it's a superpower all on its own. Some people can do Survey123, and somebody can dominate Survey123. Who do you want to be? Let me tell you, if you can learn how to dominate Survey123, then when you go in for a job interview, the price for you goes up because not a lot of people can dominate Survey123. If you get somebody in your sphere and they say, yeah, I can do Survey123. Well, like most of us in GIS, yeah, we can figure stuff out. But this one you don't want to figure out with a customer. You actually want to know how to do this, because when you know how to do this, you're sought after. So I love sharing this with people. So you are here. Welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. We need more people that know and love and dominate Survey123. So I'm going to show you around what you're going to get this with this program. So let me share my screen with you. You're going to get an email. You might have already gotten it, and it gives you two links. It gives you the playlist for all the videos, and it also gives you this class list. So what we're looking at is in week 2, 4, and 6, we start getting a little more complicated. So these are all the files that you're going to need in order to complete that homework and get you set on the right path. Bonus content, that is Bad Elf, and we are linking Survey123 to Bad Elf. And then bonus content, the second bonus content is a sneak peek at the CoPilot community, because we get together on Tuesdays and we just talk through Survey123 issues, challenges, questions, formulas. How do I sync this with another app? How do I do this? And I'm not the smartest one in the room, which is amazing because I don't want to be the smartest one in the room. If I'm the smartest one in the room, I'm in the wrong room. I hope that you feel that way too. So we have people that are there, and it's so fun to watch because everybody sees things from a little bit of a different point of view. So that's just a sneak peek of what we do in there. Then we have a couple files on how to install your Survey123. And this one also has Pro, just in case you need to do both of them. Just to give you a little sneak peek on what's in there. This is how to warm your brain to Survey123. And these are like 4 5-minute trainings. This is actually how I started my career 7 years ago. And it was just a gentle way to kind of iterate, all the little pieces. Then there's licensing. So some of you can use your work computers and software. Some of you are going to need to buy your own and use that as your personal training course. And so there's a link there. And then I said, write down your username and password because you will need them all the time. And then set up your Esri license. And then down here, if you are installing Pro, just know that before you install Pro, you have to put the framework in, and that is that .NET 6, whatever, .3, .4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, whatever that looks like. That kind of rolls quickly. So just keep in mind, it may not be exactly the same as this when you get in there. And then it talks about downloading software. So when you're downloading this software, let me, ArcGIS, okay, so this is the Survey123 website. This is, if you ever get stuck and you need this and you don't have this link, just Google Survey123 resources or downloads, and it should populate this screen. So what we're looking at is your Survey123 field app. So you need to download the Microsoft version for your computer and go to your app stores in your devices and then download that. What that is that's just the end user's experience. And then for you want to download the Survey123 Connect. And that is how you design the surveys going forward. And if you might know the difference, browser versus Connect. And I actually have a little training in here on how easy it is to do the browser version. Just know that it's not as sexy as Connect. It will get you It will do this, it'll do the simple surveys, but if you want really difficult, you're going to have to learn Connect. So there is that. What else do I have going on? There's also a video, so that you can watch the video. I know I like videos, so we do a lot of videos. Sometimes text is difficult for folks to read and stay engaged. I know that because I had a concussion 3 years ago, and text just kind of, I don't know, it just kind of, ugh, sorry, too much information. Okay, now you know why I do videos, because when I had a concussion, I had to learn things. I had to relearn Survey123 for one, and I knew I wasn't going to remember anything, so I recorded everything. That's why my YouTube channel has so much information on it, because I was doing it for myself, and now you get to be a part of that. So thank you for being here. La la la. Let's see what else we have. Oh, the YouTube playlist. So I added the link here, but it's also in your emails that you're going to get weekly. And when you come in here, I'll show you what that looks like. So what you're looking at is there's your preloading software, there's a kickoff, there's week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is some other information that we were doing. Week 6. Okay, so there's also this inbox code. What's interesting about that is actually when we were working on this, I did a coaching call and put this inbox information in the coaching call. And people were like, I don't even know what she said. That is just over my head. So I said, okay, let's rewind. I'm going to put this in week 6. And now you have access to it. You have all the information that I was going to put in the coaching call, but now it's in bite-sized pieces. It might still be over your head, and that's okay. I want you to receive that it's okay if it's over your head, because someday down the line, you're going to need to know how to do this, and you're going to have this code ready for you. If you ever get stuck, let me know, and I'll help you through it. I love all of this information. That's it. That's what I have for you so far. So your homework is to watch each of these one of 2 ways. You can binge watch it or watch them weekly. You'll get an email every week with one of these videos in it. Some of you like to binge watch right before you need to do a project, and I'm okay with that. Save this playlist, and whenever I add things or maybe I redo a video as new things come out, you will always have all the good data. So thank you so much. Enjoy your work. I love it. Bye-bye.